Shunmei Wallpaper was established in 2008, a joint stock company incorporated in the People's Republic of China with limited liability. Stock code 837992 is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of wallpaper. We are located in Qiliying Industrial Area, Xinjiang City, Henan Province. With convenient transportation on access, our factory with area of 150,000 square meters. There are 10 international advanced production lines and dozens of professional designers. We are able to produce various kinds of quality and originally designed vinyl wallpaper, non-woven wallpaper, and pure paper wallpaper. The daily output is more than 60,000 rolls. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We have over 500 employees, an annual sales figure that exceeds $50 million, and are currently exporting 65% of our production worldwide. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. As a result of high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network reaching Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America, and other regions and countries. We will settle down to develop new product all the time to provide customers the best product and service. Our cooperation principle is quality first, price reasonable, service sincere. At the same time, we adhere to the ideas of ascend a height and far-sighted, constant innovation, and product quality continual improvement. We are willing to be the friends and bedstone of each customer with new technology and excellent quality to serve for wallpaper industry. And we sincerely welcome new and old friends from all walks of life to our company for business discussion and presence instruction. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact me. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future. Welcome, friends, to visit our factory. Thank you.